Welcome to English with Alina. Today we're going to look at the differences between for you and to you. Ready? Let's get started. Use for you if you talk about a gift or a benefit. Use to you if there is an opinion or some kind of movement going on from point A to point B. This is blank you. Use this phrase when you want to give something. If you are giving something, if you give something, this is a benefit for you. This is for you. Everything is ready, blank you. Everything. You're talking about everything being ready. This is a benefit as well. Say for you. Everything is ready for you. It is good, blank you. Well, if it is good, what do you think that could be? Could that be a benefit? Sure can. Say for you, good for you. It is good for you. Frank was very good, blank you. Now here, we also have the word good, but I'm going to say good to you. Why? Well, here's Frank, right? And here is you. And there is some kind of thing going on. Frank is moving his good energy to you. There is a movement. Frank was very good to you. Good things are coming, blank you. Take a look at this word, coming. Coming is an action. There is some kind of movement happening. So what are you going to say? Good things are coming, blank you, to you. Good things are coming to you. They are coming, blank you. Now here, I'm going to say for you. Why? Why coming to you and coming for you? Here, by changing a preposition, you are changing the meaning. Here are they. And the meaning is, if they are coming for you, they will take you. They are coming for you. They will take you. So that means that you will become their gift. Why are people so nice, blank you? Okay, so what do you think? What's going on here? Nice to you. Why is that? Well, typically, you're nice to somebody, right? So there's some kind of movement. Just like good to somebody, you can be also nice to somebody. So here, people, right? And they are nice towards you. They're nice to you. Movement from one point to another. Is this clear, blank you? Let's think of it as an opinion. An opinion or some kind of movement of information coming towards you. If that's the case, say clear to you. Let's finish the last example in the comments. What can I do, blank you? Write your answer in the comments.